We also have some breaking inputs coming in, multiple versions in fact coming to fore. After Kejriwal leveled a stunning charge, Aam Aadmi Party, remember, has said booth agents' reliever has been blocked and that the reliever was not allowed in the booth. District poll office and others have countered that charge, saying that the agents inside are unwilling to come out. And the district poll office and the other officers in charge of polling there are citing on-ground verification to counter what Arvind Kejriwal said. Let's go across to Tetri joining us on the broadcast. So in this particular case also, Aam Aadmi Party leveled an allegation and there's a counter coming to it. The counter is that the agents inside the booth have refused to come out. They are unwilling to step out. What really is happening on ground, Tetri?
Well, you see, as far as it's in fact a massive political drama has turned out on the day of voting also, and in fact we have been seeing that there have been several allegations that have been leveled up by Aam Aadmi Party, some by BJP, but we will show you the visuals so as to what is happening here outside the polling booth. In fact, we have been seeing that outside the polling booth, however, the voter turnout is seems out to be very low, because the percentage is just 46.55%, and in fact this is not just the condition over here in the New Delhi constituency, and in fact we travelled to several areas in the national capital where we could see that there were no long queues observed in fact outside the polling booths, but yes, people are coming out and voting in small numbers. In fact, what we were expecting is that till afternoon the voter turnout could rise, and in fact there could be a long queue outside the polling booth. But in fact, if we compare the data also, as of now, if we talk about 3 p.m. as per Election Commission data, the voter turnout is 46.55%, and in fact if we compare on the same time with the previous elections in Delhi Assembly elections 2020, so at that particular point of time as well, the data was approximately 45%, so not much change in the numbers as far as the polling percentage till 3 p.m. is concerned. Not much time left for the polling to get closed, but yes, massive political controversy since yesterday night have been erupting, and in fact not just that, yes, since yesterday we have been seeing that there have been multiple press conferences, allegations that have been leveled up by the party by the party leaders, by the top party leaders, and not just that, but in fact today we saw that what kind of incidents and videos through which allegations were leveled up by the parties. Then police also in fact came up with certain kind of clarification. Election Commission also intervened, and in fact we'll also show you the visuals, and in fact if the voters are coming out, we'll also try to speak to them so as to what are the major issues. However, we also spoke to some of the voters. In fact, they mentioned that their major issues are in fact the ground issues that relate to sanitation, clean water, roads, construction, development. However, if we talk about New Delhi constituency, then yes, there were many people who also spoke that they are voting on the basis of nationalism. They are voting on the basis of the party that is talking about nationalism. So that is that is what
counters also coming in from the poll officers on the allegations that have been leveled. Tetri, stay on with us. And this is not